good. BPC?
Wow, bright and breezy.
Oh my god, very crowded. Okay, guys, because we have an answer for the third questions, we're going to the fourth question. Make it simple. Yeah. My question is, this is about the opposite of contradiction about people pleaser. We call maybe selfish, egoist, right? Always review, right? This is the opposite one. What do you think about the people who always review or selfish person? You.
Me.
Yeah.
Talking about selfish.
Just make it short.
Oh, okay. Talking about selfish, you know, everyone have a selfish, but they keep it.
Uh-huh.
But those who always public their selfish, you know, they will get a
You mean
bad
publish or
no,
public?
public.
Okay.
Then they will get a bad impact for everyone.
Mhm.
So I think we just how to say menjauhi,
Keep away.
keep away
Okay.
that selfish, just keep it, don't public it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I
Make
think
it
that's
short.
all.
Make it short. What do you think about the opposite one? I mean, like selfish people. Make it short.
It's not good, of course.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's not a good.
Itu mau nggak?
Yes. Okay. Come on. Next. Just make it short. She say it's not a good.
Okay, I think
He say keep away. What about you?
okay, I think selfish people are not very good and only
Selfish is very good. Are not good, as in?
yes. Only about only care about themselves.
Okay, I see. What about you, Fatana? Make it short, please.
How about selfish? Maybe there's a good side and the bad side. The good side for himself or the selfish person. I think it's good because he can just thinking about herself. He just thinking about what he want to do, what he want to say, and then he just try to catch the goal or reach the goals. So it's easy to make for them to successful.
Okay.
Um,
Clap
I
hand
think-
for Fatana. We are very enthusiastic. What about you, Tenri? Make it short.
Yes, it's too short. I don't like someone who always selfish, but it's one of characteristic
Yeah.
human. So we must learn about them. Yes, thank you.
Is that normal?
It's normal actually.
Yeah. Okay. You are very wise. Okay. Now try to mention the vocabularies or idioms or quote or conclusion. Which one you choose? It's okay. Start from you. Which one you choose? Quote. Conclusion.
I will choose coach.
Quote, please.
When you say when you say yes to the others, making sure you are not making sure you are not say no to yourself. Yes, is it okay?
What about the conclusion tonight?
So be yourself and don't always to be people pleaser, but sometimes we need to be people pleaser actually.
It's like situational.
Yes, it's depend on condition.
Yeah. What about you? What is your conclusion about our topic tonight?
I just wanna give a suggestion.
Suggestion, okay.
Yes, for the people who have a personality people pleaser. I read a book yesterday before. I read a book about the maybe according with the people pleaser, and then there's some quotes. He say that I never be hated you if you say no in your opinion. It's mean like it's okay if you say no.
Okay.
I never be hated you just because you're open your ideas about something and or what if in this world, there's so many person. So you don't need to be a hero for other person life. Just be a hero for your life. Just never thinking about the happiness for someone.
Okay. What about you, Ais? What is your conclusion tonight? Our topic. Or maybe you have a quote or idioms or vocabularies. Just choose.
Yes, vocabulary.
Yes. Come on.
Refuse. Atau refuse.
Translate in Indonesia. Please. Refuge.
Menolak.
Uh-huh.
Take it easy.
What is that?
Santai.
Uh-huh.
And selfish, egoist.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Fira? What is your conclusion for our topic tonight?
We can't control everything, but but just do what you can do for people.
Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion for tonight?
For me, for the people pleaser, just help someone and then our God will pay back to you. Only that.
That's it?
Yeah,
What
that's
about your vocabularies? Do you have vocabularies?
Keep away.
We still have 2 minutes.
Keep away, menjauhi.
What else?
I think that's all.
Okay. What about you? Do you have a vocabularies? Dang dang. Do you have? Tenri, do you have vocabularies? Okay. What about Fatana? Do you have vocabularies? No. What about quotation? Okay, come on. Speak up.
I get vocabularies. One is
What is that?
one is positive impact.
Okay. What is that?
It's a meaning of dampak positive,
Yeah.
and the opposite is
Like your moving hand.
the opposite is negative impact. Is dampak negative. So just it.
Okay. What else?
Just it.
Me.
Just it. Okay. Come on.
Advantage and disadvantage.
What is
Advantage
that?
is keuntungan. Meanwhile, disadvantage is kerugian. I think so.
Okay. Thank you guys for our discussion tonight.
Thank you.
Clap hand for us. Once again, BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Okay, that's all our conversation about our topic tonight about people pleaser, and we think a lot of how to say positive thing like hikmah about our topic tonight. So we do hope that peoples in special for smart listeners can get many listen from our topic tonight. So agar bisa lebih bijak. So that's all our conversation. See you in next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you.
See you.